got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan na rin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsisikap ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan ito ng disiplina, good practice at hard work. Sumuko na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! Implipay! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
And to So A Sige, Lang Nang Sige.
MegaWorld do this by offering them better lives.
And to Lee Sam, AK Odd Pa more 10 times. Mega Coom, Magby Guy. Super Service, Parasabayan. Malakas at Agresibo. Matapang at Maxion Para Sabayan. Hanhari, Nun Negocio. Adanhari, Nun Tawatsaya. Magsasama, to serve the people and its economy. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castro. As Henry C. and a special celebrity guest, Mr. Mon Confiado as Andrew Tan. And to Songmang Gang Galakalat and to Lee Sam Nego Scientech, discovering Henry C's Sports Central and SHDC Homes businesses and his connection with Andrew Tan from competitor to become his business partner in products that is selling in SM Super Malls, April 18th, 2025.
What's up to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again, Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscriber. Yes. At ngayon, ang tatalakay natin sa ating video vlog for our Henry C. the King of Philippine Business is something interesting, especially sa ating mga Gen Z at sa ating mga tito at tita at mga parents ay makaka-relate sa ating video vlog na ito sa ngayon. The title of our vlog for today is Ang Tusong Mangangalakal at Ang Pulisang Negosyante. Wow, something interesting topic title of this particular. Dahil ngayon, matidiscover natin, of course, first of all, your Tito Henry at si Mr. Andrew Tan. Yun, si Andrew Tan na may-ari ng mga kilalang products kagaya ng McDo. Meron siyang franchise, meron siyang Mega World, at meron din siyang Picnic, yung favorite nating chichirya. So, shout out sa aking mga sister na mahilig yan. At yung ating mga other businesses kagaya ng The Grand Canal Mall. So, hindi po yung literal na kanal. Yung kanal na para ka na sa Venice, yung Canal Mall, o yung parang may dagat-dagat doon, diba? Kanya po yun kay Mr. Andrew Tan. So, for this moment, madidiscover natin na ang SM ay may connection dito kila Andrew Tan. What's all about their connection and the properties that they belong na pwede nating madiscover. At ano-ano na namang mga 100+ businesses ang madidiscover natin dito sa Tito Henry nyo. Sa ating tusong mangangalakal at ang tulisang negosyante, discovering Henry C. Sports Central and SHDC Homes. Wow. Businesses and his connection with Andrew Tan from competitor to become his business partner in products that is selling in SM Super Malls. Ayun. Okay. So, ito po yung ating madidiscover na pagtalakay sa mga business sector na madidiscover natin. So, sa lahat ng student natin, for who is watching, subscribe and take down notes and madiscover natin ang properties ng Tito Henry nyo ay hindi lang po SM, kundi marami pang iba. Okay. So, we will discover, first of all, anong meron sa Sports Central. Ito yung last time na nabanggit ko sa mga businesses niya. Ang Sports Central is established in August 2002. SCI is a retail affiliate of SM Group. Ayun. Of companies with head offices at the SM Retail Headquarters, Pasay City. Operates the Under Armour, Nike, and Adidas location to all SM department stores. Ayun, yung Sports Central ng Tito Henry. Ano ba itong Sports Central? Nagbebenta pa siya dito ng mga pang sports. Yes, literal na sport. From the name sport. Mga sportswear, mga pang jogging, mga pang swimming, mga sapatos, mga damit na ginagamit sa sports. Kaya tinawag na Sports Central. So, for the first episode, madidiscover natin muna dito ang lesson ng inyong Tito Henry. And then later on, we will have some of the businesses na madidiscover natin. Check it out. Okay, just discover about Sports Central. At meron pa tayong isang mapag-aaralan na business ng Tito Henry nyo. At ito, humanda kayo. Dahil yung kanyang mga properties na 100 plus ay meron pa pala at hindi pa natin to napag-aaralan at hindi ko pa to nabanggit sa mga nakaraang videos or slides ng kanya mga properties. Okay. Okay. So, for the next episode natin pag-aaralan, dahil dalawa naman ang character natin dito, we have Henry C. and we have Andrew Tan. Ang next na madidiscover natin ay tungkol sa SHDC. Ito ay tinatawag na Summer Hills Home Development Corporation. Sandali, wala pa ako sinasabi kung sino may-ari nun. Summer Hills Home Development Corporation. Oh, diba? Ngayon, huhulaan natin, aside sa dalawa, kung sino bang may-ari nito. Kasi hula ko real estate to. Oo, real estate nga to eh. Kasi development corporation. Mga pabahay at mga lupa. So, ang unang hula natin, siya kaya ay si Manny Villar?
Pasalan. Hindi. Anyo.
Ha? Mali! Sino kaya? Ito. Minsan na rin tong gumawa ng real estate eh. Kung hindi si Manny Villar, si Ayala o si Jaime Sobel de Ayala. Mali. Okay, another thing. Kung talagang mali, ang hula ko, Django Kongwe Jr.
Matapos kitang palakin at talagaan, yan na pala tinapon ka na lang namin sa China.
Ba, mali na naman. Ito, final na talaga. Gagamitin na natin yung dalawa. Either Andrew Tan or Henry C. Okay. So, hulaan na natin yung dalawa. Okay. So, sinong gusto yung ihula? Eh, malamang, Henry C. itong gusto niya. Sige, Henry C. O yan. Ang may-ari ng SHDC ay si Henry C.
Lumipat ka na lang ba?
Tama! Yehey! My goodness! Ang dami niya talagang properties. 100 plus talaga to. May SHDC siya ngayon. Nakapartner ng SMDC. Wow! Ay, my goodness! How to be you po. Ang dami yun ng negosyo. Wow! Okay. So, ngayon natin discover ang SHDC. Ito po ngayon yung bagong partner ng SMDC. O kung tawagin ay Summer Hills Home Development Corporation. Ang mission po nito ay mga house and lot businesses kasi basically pag narinig yung SMDC, puro kondo-kondo lang yan, di ba? Ngayon po, nag-improve na ang Tito Henry nyo. Meron na po siyang house and lot businesses para sa taong bayan. Kita nyo nga naman, no? Ang dami-dami na talaga natin pag-aaralan nito. Pero syempre, ito naman po ay ginagawa niya para sa taong bayan. To serve the people and the economy and to give you a better home. O, diba? So, babasahin natin to, Summer Hills Home Development Corporation is the SMDC Property Groups Socialized and Affordable Housing Division. Every Filipino family newly the opportunity to make their dreamy o newly na dreamy pa into reality o purely okay. So ayun po, madidiscover natin dito for the next slide kung ano bang meron sa kanyang SHDC ng Tito Elio. Okay, we will check it out.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
Wala isi-share yung mga tsuhin mo. You have a first tsuhin na ipapakilala sa amin dito?
My first Tito is Tito Jermaine.
Oh, that's something interesting. Sino siya? Bigyan natin ng konting space yung tsuhin at saka si Christian.
His Tito Jermaine.
His name is Tito Jermaine. Oh, okay. Where's your Tito Jermaine, Christian? Wow! Okay, yun na. So, your Tito is a businessman din pala, ha? Tito Jermaine, hello. Welcome to Ninong TV. Welcome to the segment of our program, Henry C's.
Hello, Mayuhe, Philippines. I'm Jermaine, business uncle man. My business is internet and automobiles.
Oh, internet business and car business. Oh, di ba ka rin palang nagmumubit? May sasakyan. Anong kotse yon? Pampasada rin ba? Kasi ang topic natin, may isang super sa SF.
Personal cars for the family and business.
Family car. Okay, you have your business car and internet businesses. Ba, okay yan, Tito Jerm. Kanyang businesses ay load, mga internet, mga SIM card, yun. That's nice, Tito Jermaine, tsaka kotse. Sige.
You will discover my second uncle Dot is also a businessman.
So you have another tsuhin or Tito. His name is
Tito Mandy.
Tito Mandy. Ba, kanta yun na. Kanta ni Barry Manilow. Okay. So, and I need you today, oh Mandy. When you feel... Basta. Saan na kay tsuhin mo? Napakanta na tuloy ako. Ayun! Tito Mandy. Hello! Okay, so ito yung pangalawang tsuhin ni Christian. Ang dami mo namang tsuhin. Ang big time talaga tong angkan ni Christian. No? Puro businessman. So, kung ito si Tito Jermaine, ang business niya mga kotse tsaka mga internet. Ikaw po, Tito Mandy, ano po ang businesses nyo? And by the way, welcome to my Ninong TV of NC's The King of Philippine Business Program.
Good day to all of you. My business is real estate, house and lot.
Real estate, mga pabahay. Maganda yan. Kailangan natin ng bahay. So, maganda rin naman pala itong mga businesses mo ng tsuhin mo, Christian. I refer, pag graduate mo, kumuha ka na rin ng business administration or e-commerce. Gayahin mo itong mga tsuhin mo. Diba, sa NU ka pa nag-aaral. Yan.
Wait lang po, my third uncle is now coming
Meron ka
your
pang
way.
isang tito? My goodness, ako kinakabahan ako dito sa mga tsuhin ni Christian. Pero mo, meron ka na ang tsuhin na may real estate, may-ari ng mga kotse load. Meron pang isa. Aba, grabe. Kita mo nga naman tong angka ni Christian. Minsan napitan ko nga to. Okay. So, meron ka pang isang tsuhin. Sino naman siya? Akala ko dalawa lang to. At tatlo ba? Naku, puro tycoons pala yung mga tsuhin nito. Ako isa lang tsuhin ko. Si Tito Henry. Okay. Eto tatlo. Grabe talaga to si Christian. Sino ba tong pangatlo na to?
His name is Tito Haynes, the richest uncle among the two.
Tito Haynes, ha? Haynes. Di ba tatak ng brief yun? Akala nyo ng kapatid. Haynes. May Mandy, may Jermaine. Ito, Haynes. Asan na ba ang Tito Haynes mo? Asan siya? At anong mga businesses niya, if ever? Okay. Mukhang ito ata yung pinaka-big time na lang. Sa lahat ng tsuhin ni Christian, no?
He is the richest Tito that I ever have. Wait lang PUH is on the way now.
tama nga. Itong pinakabigtan niya raw na chewing. O, kung ako sa'yo, hay ng buhay ko niyan. Puro bigatin yung pamilya mo eh. O, sino ba? Nasaan na ba ang ating huling guest? Si Tito Haynes. Nasaan na ang pangatlong chewing ni Christian? Wow! Grabe! Tito Haynes, Ininong Philippines. Grabe ang lupit ng introduction mo Parang naka-leather jacket pa, naka-motor pa. O yung dalawa, panis. Joke lang. Okay. So, welcome to Linong TV, Tito Haynes. O, ayan. Ang ikatlong chewing ni Christian. O, eto si Tito Jermaine may business na internet, tapos kotse. Si Tito Mandy, all about real estate. Kayo po, Tito Haynes, may business ba kayo? Ano bang property na meron kayo dyan?
We've got it all for you. I have 100 plus businesses to serve the people and its economy.
Kakabugin mo pa si Tito Henry ko, ha? Kaya ka rin kay Henry Sit. Okay. Ano bang business mo, Tito Haynes? Bira. Sige, state
My businesses are .malls, .real-estate, .banks, .hotels, .resorts, .foods, .terminal, .cinema, .airplanes, .ships, .corporate office.
6.5 hours later.
Teka po.
.electricity business, .mining company.
Medyo kulang na po tayo sa oras. Baka pa umabot tayo ng overtime neto at magkaroon pa tayo ng part 2 kung papagitin nyo lahat ng businesses nyo. Anyway, Tito Haynes, maraming salamat. And of course, sa mga chewing ni Christian, tingnan nyo nga naman, no? Puro mga bigatin si Tito Jermaine, na may business sa internet and kotse, and si Tito Mandy for the house and lot businesses, real estate. At ang inyong Tito Haynes na may planong kabugin ng Tito Henry nyo, wag mo nang gawin. Okay. Tito Henry yung Michael, kasi hindi pa ako natatapos sa mga 100 plus businesses niya, may dumagdag pa. Tatagdag yung Tito Haynes ni Christian. But anyway, just kidding lang, mga bigating chewing to. Tignan nyo naman mga dating, parang pang Hollywood, ha? Okay. So, nakilala na po natin ang tatlong chewing ni Christian, our AI body from NTV Corporations. Invite mo in mga chewing mo, baka gusto
Okay, we will try. Thanks for today's video.
At kung may plano silang ihayag yung mga businesses nila, ikaw nang gumawa, Christian. Ninong nyo, marami pang gagawin. Patapos pa nga lang po sa business ng Tito Henry nyo, meron pang 30 plus na natitira. My goodness, from what I said. Presyo para sa kanya at presyo para sa dito. Freebies, the buy one take ones, and the CSR for the customers and for the people.
Yes, and also Miniso is a Korean store.
Alam mo, Bibi,
Of course, I've been watching Miniso videos in Korea or Japan. Japan has a Miniso.
It looks that's you.
Hey!
Let's go na daw. Tawag na daw tayo.
Get that camera off me!
Thank you. Naku po tayo, mga kapatid, may matinding gera na gaganap ngayon. Dito lang kayo, walang alis, mas yan mangyari, okay? Isasara ko muna yung tindahan natin. Pray tayo, arsip tayo mga kapatid. Dali.
natin. Ninakawan ng mga hapon. Nandun pa naman yung ipon ko para pang-exam at
O basta mag-iingat ka anak ha. Delikado mga hapon.
Ako po. Pupuntahan ko lang. Basta dyan na kayo. Na mga hapon ang aking paninda. Paninda namin ang tatay ko. Pati nako. Pati yung pera ko, ang enroll. Ang exam sa PU wala na. Ako po. Hoy mga hapon kayo, ako ngarapin ninyo. Kumpahin ko kay lahat. Sige na. Mauna na kayo doon.
Kuya Chising, gusto namin tulungan ka. Tara, sumama ka na sa amin. Paano si Dami?
Sige na.
Kuya Chising, mag-ingat ka. Sige.
Sinunog. Ang aking mga pamilya binomba. Hindi. Hindi ito mare. Hindi ito mare!
We've lost finding golds in America. We want here in the Philippines to get some golds and minerals.
If you fail, do not be discouraged. Try again. And challenge is an opportunity. You all Japanese bomb my future. Now I will revenge to all of you. Get out of our country. I will save the Philippines against the Japanese. Bumanta kayo mga bombahin ko kayo lahat. Na.
We will rule the Philippines. Stay away, you Chinese boy.
Ni mga hapon. Patay.
Come with me, I will save you, kaibigan.
Don't worry, sir. Laukang is now in a better condition. Kami na pong bahala kay Mr. Chisiang.
Okay po, nurse. Now ako na rin magbayad ng hospital bills at gamot niya. Kamusta ka? Hey, wake up. Are you alright?
We've got it all for you.
Okay, just discover about SHDC at meron lang akong gustong i-share sa inyo tungkol sa balitang SMDC. Alam niyo ba, nung last time, di ba, nung una kong ginawa yung ang tatang ng Maynila that we covered the SMDC homes there, 40 plus, napagod ako kaka-report. And then when I go to MOA, ang report nila doon, 74 condo na pala yung na-project ng Tito Henry nyo. Pero ang hindi nyo alam, this year, kasi 2024 pa yun, anong petsa na? 2025 of April. Nasa 91, tumataginting 91 properties na ang meron sa SMDC. Ang dami na pong nagagawa ng Tito Henry nyo. At isa to sa kanya mga kabilin na magkaroon tayo ng mga condo properties dito sa ating SMDC. Alright. Ngayon lang naman. Okay. The next na ating madidiscover, na-discover nyo na tungkol sa Sports Central, of course, na-discover nyo na rin sa SHDC na siguro isa to sa kanyang mga habilin, no, na magkaroon tayo ng bagong house and lot, or hindi natin alam, nung siguro 2 years bago siya magbabay, na-develop na ito. So, the next, eto na po. Who is Andrew Tan? Yon. Magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng business pagtalakay kay Andrew Tan. At ang ating magiging special guest pala dito ay isang artista. Oh. He's a celebrity from ABS, pwede rin GMA, and he is a director, multitasking, basta lahat ng mga arts, lahat ng mga kayang gawin sa pagpipelikula ay kaya niya. Is also a strong actor that we will discover. We will have the presences of Mr. Mon Confiado. as our Andrew Tan na madidiscover natin here in Ninong TV. So, first of all, we will discover what's all about Mr. Andrew Tan. Okay, to present his businesses, including yung kanyang mga Grand Canal Mall na madidiscover natin, we will check out Mr. Mon Confiado to be rolled as Andrew Tan. Check it out.
Do this by offering them better lives in the communities we create. I would like to thank Property Guru for this year's prestigious Icon Award. I'm happy that our work in real estate has been recognized. It is an honor we appreciate. Truly, it is the collective effort of everyone in the company that has made this possible. Again, thank you.
Okay, thank you for watching and thank you for our dear special guest, Mr. Mon Confiado, the celebrity na ating na-meet. So that was in the SM nung kami ay nagsishopping with the family. Napadaan kami sa isang area. We don't know na merong event doon. And sakto, that is the day that they are promoting their movie na In Thy Name of Mr. JC De Vera together with si David, si Makoy De Leon. So isa si Mr. Mon sa bida doon. Okay. So we discover once again what's all about Andrew Tan, what's all about the SHDC, yung pinaka-nakakalokang property na na-discover natin kay Henry C. And Sports Central. Ngayon, it's time for the collaboration of the two business person. Si Andrew Tan at ang Tito Henry nyo ay magko-collab to give you the business venture na madidiscover natin dito sa ating palatuntunan. We will check it out.
Philippine office expansion. Exciting news is on the horizon for the Philippine real estate market. Megaworld, the property powerhouse under billionaire Andrew Tan's Alliance Global, is set to invest a whopping 30 billion pesos, around $523 million, over the next 5 years. This ambitious plan aims to expand its office portfolio by an impressive 25%, reaching a total of 2 million square meters by 2030. But that's not all. This investment will also focus on upgrading and refurbishing Megaworld's existing office spaces scattered across the country. Currently, the company boasts 1.6 million square meters of office space, with a significant chunk, 900,000 square meters, located in the bustling Bonifacio Global City. This upscale commercial district, which was once a military camp, is just a stone's throw away from the Makati financial hub. As the landscape of office spaces shifts, developers are now looking beyond Metro Manila. The recent ban on online gaming operators has led to a rise in office vacancies in the capital, with Colliers Philippines predicting that vacancy rates could soar to 22% this year, the highest in 18 years. In response to this changing market, Megaworld is stepping up its game by planning to introduce an additional 50,000 square meters of office space in key cities like Bacolod, Iloilo, and Cebu this year alone. Earlier, they also added 60,000 square meters of leasable office area outside Metro Manila, driven by the increasing demand from business process outsourcing (BPO) companies. Kevin Tan, the CEO of Alliance Global and the heir to Andrew Tan's legacy, expressed optimism about the future of the office sector in the Philippines. We are seeing a significant spike in demand for office spaces, not just from BPO companies, but also from traditional tenants as more international firms establish or expand their presence here, he stated. Andrew Tan, at 73, is not just a real estate mogul. He also has interests in various sectors, including the world's largest brandy maker, Emperador, and the Philippine franchise of McDonald's, along with a casino resort. With a net worth of approximately $1.5 billion, according to Forbes, Tan continues to make waves in the business world, and this latest investment is just another
God is good and generous with His gift to us from your Henry, giving you my action of business. Thank you, Andretan, also for having you in business. Through the years, as my group of companies expanded, I stuck to my success formula of hard work and luck to stay ahead of the pack. That basically is the story of my life's journey. It has been a constant process of moving forward no matter what. From your Dr. Andrew Elta, giving you my business action. Thank you also, Mr. C, for having you in business. God bless.
Okay, na-discover na po natin ang Action Business Service ni Mr. Andrew Tan at ni Henry C. Ayun, na-discover nyo, di ba? Ilang years tayong kumakain ng picnic, yung masarap na chichira, yung parang potato, tapos yung other wine products. Tsaka meron din siyang franchise ng McDo. Aba, si Andrew Tan lang pala yun na ating na-discover dito sa palatuntunang ito. Medyo competitor mang isipin kasi meron din tong sariling kondo at pabahay. Yung Mega World, yun. Yung Mega World, Mega Mall. Hindi yung Mega Mall ng Tito Henry, yung iba yun. Okay. SM Mega Mall ni Henry C. at Mega Mall ni Andrew Tan. Yung Mega Mall, maraming ano yun sangkap yun. Mega World, properties, ganyan. So, yun yung kanyang mga businesses. Siyempre, as we feel blessed from the Lord and Jesus sa lahat ng properties na meron tayo, ano naman po ang CSR or yung pagtulong sa kapwa na pwedeng gawin ni Henry C. at ni Andrew Tan sa taong bayan? Especially, si SHDC, anong pwedeng magawa nitong CSR? Yan, na-excite tuloy ako. Siyempre, pag may bagong business, may bago ring blessing, may bago ring kapupulutan ng aral or benefits yung ating taong bayan. That's why the business persons create that kind of property or business para hindi lang naman mapaglingkuran yung mga bulsa natin, kundi makapaglingkod tayo sa mga kapuspalan. Or ano yung mga freebies, ano yung mga special bonus na matatanggap natin sa mga ganitong bagay. Diba? Sa mga mabubuting gawa ang ating mga priorities after we have the success. It's time you will check it out for
ligaya, pagkakaisa sa bayang pinagpala, bansang binubuklod ng pag-ibig na dakila. Aral ni Kristo'y ibinabandila. Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan natin ang patunay ito. Ang ating lahat ng katotohanan, bansang pangarap lahi ng mga hihirap. Ang
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na ang tusong mangangalakal at ang tulisang negosyante. So, this is the discovering of Henry C. Sports Central and SHDC Homes, businesses and his connection with Andrew Tan, from competitor to become his business partner in products that is selling in SM Supermalls. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Subscribe Ninong TV in YouTube, Facebook, Google, TikTok, Instagram. Just search Ninong TV. Pwede rin NTV Corporation and Denver Ninong Castro, Denver Castro, para ma-discover nyo po yung ating mga video vlogs na naroon. Subscribe, and Ninong TV is made for the students and to all of the researchers. Naway, meron po kayong natutunan sa ating simpleng handog. And you can buy this video vlog for only 150 and 80 pesos for screen record, or you just may share it with your family and friends in the GC, in the Facebook, in the social media, yung link ba, yung link ng vlog na to, and then watch it and share it with your barkada. Everybody of you ay magkaroon ng learning at madiscover nyo na hindi lang pala SM ang meron ng Tito Henry nyo. Take note sa inyong mga notebook na naglista ng 100 plus businesses na Tito Henry nyo. Isama nyo si SHDC. At hindi natin alam, baka meron pa tong iba. Iba yung mga habili ng Tito Henry nyo na ngayon pa lang natin na-discover. Okay. So maraming salamat po. Next time ulit. Bye-bye and see you once again sa ating special video vlog that you are now discovering some of the businesses of Tito Henry and Mr. Andrew Tan as well. And once again, thank you po kay Sir Mon sa ating celebrity special guest. After nyong panoorin ang vlog na ito, pagpunta nyo ng SM, alam nyo na ang sasabihin nyo sa friends and family nyo. Ang vlog ngayon natin sa SMI, ang tusong mga lakal at ang tulisang negosyante. So, you will discover this kind of video vlog. Di ba? Parang ano lang yan eh. Pagka manonood kami ng FPJ ni Daddy. Sabi ko, ngayong linggo, ang palabas sa FPJ, ang Panday. O, next Sunday, ang Probinsyano. O, di ba? Parang ganun. Para updated tayo sa mga sinusubaybayan natin. So, ngayon naman, pag mapunta tayo ng SM, ang vlog na ating topic ngayon, ang tusong mga lakal at ang tulisang negosyante. Henry CX Andrew Tan. Thank you and goodbye.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at kayo'y nagsinalo sa gabi ng palabas ko. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at tayo'y nagkaniig kahit konting sandali. Sa harap ninyo ay walang lungkot, suliranin ko'y bigla ring nalilimot, ngiti ninyo'y mabisang ang gamot sa Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market-leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasama ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan ito ng disiplina, good practice at hard work. Sumama ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gyera! If you pray, you will be discouraged. Try again, and challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.